Wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day. And the guys too, because I'm doing Dostana too. I've always been a one-woman man, and I'm very proud of it also.
You're a wife, mother, and actress. So, which role is close to your heart and why?
It's like a Miss India question.
I'm just really happy that couple Goldie, Shrishti, they finally saw the hot, sexy Prachi in me.
John Abraham, Chitrangada Singh, Prachi Desai, Kapil Sharma, Goldie Bahal graced the press conference of their film I, Me or Main in Mumbai. Take a look.
Ishan's character, वो खुद को बहुत प्यार करता है and he thinks there are three most important people in his life, I, me और मैं. और इसीलिए फिल्म का टाइटल I, Me और मैं है. अगर चार लोग होते then it would be I, Me, मैं और ईशान. इसीलिए हमने सोचा कि ये टाइटल बहुत ही एप्ट है. शायद लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग था स्टार्टिंग में क्योंकि they were wondering what's this about. लेकिन फिल्म देखने के बाद I think this title will definitely register a lot more. Examples दे सकता हूँ मैं. अगर आपने जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा सुना होगा the first time, you would have said, what is this title? Or Wake Up Sid. But when you see the film, you really understand what it is about. So I think I, Me और मैं is a very apt title for the film.
The song is called किसी के हाथ ना आएगा ये लड़का. But then लड़का आखिर आएगा तो किसके हाथ आने वाला है? Who's that one girl जिसके हाथों आप आना चाहोगे?
जी वो definitely अगर मैं लड़की को describe करूँ, I think she has to be and she will be very simple. And I think that's the beauty about any relationship, simplicity. I think finally अगर किसी को भी लाइफ में सेटल डाउन होना है, you have to settle down with someone who you have a connection with. तो शायद उसी के हाथ आ जाऊँ मैं.
Okay, and who out of the two beautiful girls do you relate to the most?
Honestly, I relate to a little of Chitrangada and a little of Prachi, a combination of both.
Diplomat.
और इसीलिए सही बोला मैंने. Perfect ना? The beautiful qualities about both the girls. Chitrangada का जो character है is Anushka. Anushka is a very independent yet emotionally vulnerable, strong girl. And Prachi is a real life self. She's always bubbly, smiling and giggly and sweet. And so I think a combination of both is the perfect thing that any man would want to dream of having.
You're a wife, mother, and actress. So, which role is close to your heart and why?
It's like a Miss India question. I'm just going to get a crown for this. Everything is close to me. All of that is me. Really. And I mean, yes, one takes over, the other takes a back seat sometimes. It's a bit of back and forth, but yeah, I'm trying to be everything together. It's not easy. Good days, bad days, but yeah, it's good.
I'm just really happy that couple Goldie, Shrishti, they finally saw the hot, sexy Prachi in me. I was tired of playing 10 years beyond my age. I love the roles that I've played so far, and I know that they're important to me. But I think there comes a stage in everyone's life where you need to do something different. And I'm so happy that they gave me this chance.
चाहे ऑफिस हो, चाहे घर हो, चाहे ये फिल्म हो, चाहे कोई भी फिल्म में हो, आप लड़कियों से घिरे रहते हैं.
जी डेफिनेटली मेरे ऑफिस में सिर्फ लड़कियां काम करती है बिकॉज आई थिंक वुमेन आर मोर कॉन्शियशियस, हार्डर वर्किंग एंड मोर लॉयल, तो मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड मोर ब्यूटिफुल and fabulous. So I really work around women all the time. No offense, because I'm a man too. So I think it's great working around women. My life is ruled by women, starting with my mom, and I think they're the most wonderful species in the world. हमारी में एक positivity है, and I think the biggest positive thing about men is that we don't know how to lie properly, and honestly, men don't know how to lie. I promise you that. And you agree, right? See, he's got caught, he agrees with me. And men are very linear in their thought. So even women out here who have friends would find it easier to make male friends rather than female friends. It's always the case, and that's the plus point of being with a man. जी जी झूठ बोलते आया हूँ मैं. I've lied throughout my life. And I've got caught also, so I'm not the most perfect man. I'm in fact the most imperfect man. और मुझे उसी बात पे बहुत you know, I have a lot of pride in the fact that I'm imperfect. क्योंकि हर कोई आदमी perfect नहीं हो सकता, नहीं है. जो भी बोले कि वो perfect है is an absolute lie. At least I think so. And I have lied, I have made mistakes, And I've tried to be a better human being, but I don't think I've completely succeeded. I still have a long way to go.
Have you ever dated 2 girls at a time in real?
Can
Be
you
true.
repeat the question?
Sach bolna.
No, when I was young, I probably bumped into the dark and just saw someone, but I never really dated 2 girls at the same time. I've always been a one-woman man, and I'm very proud of it also. Well, लड़कों को यही कहूँगा कि पैसा खर्च करे, spend a little money, and at least you'll be no distance, but you'll be happy for one day at least. In a sweet way. I mean, just get through Feb 14th, please. It's very important. बहुत important day होता है लड़कियों के लिए. So just please make them feel special on that day. क्योंकि हमारे लिए, for all the men, I'm sure every day is Valentine's Day. Am I right or wrong? And the men are like, yeah, whatever.
So, John, according to you, only money makes women happy?
Oh my God, you took it personally. I was just, what I was trying to say is buy a woman a beautiful gift, because I think not even a gift, just a beautiful card, a handmade card, or some roses, or a beautiful candlelit dinner. Hold her hand, just give her a hug, a nice kiss. There are beautiful things that makes a woman feel special. So why can't we do that? At least one day of our lives, right? And when a boyfriend finishes his first month of a relationship, kitna bore ho jata hai wo, you know. He then goes on his... Wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day. And the guys too, because I'm doing Dostana too.